Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Wizardry Workshop. In this video, we're going to open up some Harry Potter mystery wands, Death Eater edition. I love Halloween, and what better way to celebrate than opening up 4 mystery wands, Death Eater editions. I mean, this is perfect for October. And these are from the Noble collection, so I'm expecting really good quality stuff in here. Let's go ahead and open these up. Here's my plan. They sent me 4 of these wands, so I'm gonna open 3 of them, and then one of them is going to be a giveaway. So I am going to give you guys one of these. I'm only gonna have the giveaway open maybe for a week after this video is posted, because I kinda wanna get it to you by Halloween if I can. Let's decide which one I'm gonna give away. How about this one? This is gonna be the giveaway wand. We'll set that aside. And now I have 3 left. So let's open up the first one. All right, here we go. This wand is, ooh, look at that. Check out this awesome, perfect wand for Halloween. It has a skull and like part of a spinal column on it. It's actually pretty good quality too. I mean, if you bent it hard enough, you would snap it probably. But I think it's like resin, like a hard resin kind of cast. I don't think it has any like rod or anything inside of it, so I wouldn't bend these too much. But check that out. I don't know whose this is. Is this a character wand? Or is it just a Death Eater themed wand? I feel like, you know, they would have character wands in here, right? Oh, they do, right here. Nope. Okay, so they have Voldemort, Bellatrix, and Lucious Malfoy, but then beyond that, it's just themed wands. So we have a skull, a thorn, a swirl, a snake, a stallion, and brown wand. I hope I don't get the brown wand. That one's not very exciting, but okay, here, out of all of these, I'm glad I got the skull one. Isn't that just so perfect for Halloween? I got the skull wand. I hope I get one of the character wands. So we've got this little Death Eater mask, and it comes with this stand. So it looks like the Death Eater mask slides onto the stand just like that. And then the wand goes in right here, and you can have this cool little display for Halloween, which I'm definitely going to display all of these for Halloween. All right, next. It's not Lucious. And this one is the Stallion Wand. So it has like a stallion on it. I kind of want to call it the Thestral Wand though, because that would be so much cooler. But yeah, this is pretty cool. I like the shape of it. And yeah, that's actually really neat. Cool Stallion Wand. And the Death Eater mask that comes with this one is right here. It's a very neat little mask. Now I have these little mini Death Eater masks. All right, and then we'll put this one together too. Very cool. And then the final one right here. Let's see, is it going to be Voldemort or Lucius? If this is Lucius Malfoy's wand, I am going to be so excited. Here it goes. It's not. It's the brown wand. Okay, actually, you know what? This one's not that bad. It's not as cool as all the other ones, but it doesn't really look like a Death Eater mask either. Or I'm sorry, a Death Eater wand. It just looks like a normal wand, and I kind of like it. Here's the little mini Death Eater mask that came with this one. This one's got a whole bunch of little designs in it. Pretty cool. So these are the 3 I got. Out of all of these, my favorite one is the skull mask or the skull, I keep saying mask. The skull wand for sure is my favorite. Second favorite is probably the Stallion Wand. And then my third favorite is the only one left, the brown wand. It's the most plain out of them all, I think, or it doesn't really have any Death Eater quality to it, but it's still a pretty cool wand, so yeah. And I love that they all include those little Death Eater masks. I would like more of these. And now watch, the one that I wanted, Lucious Malfoy, is gonna be the giveaway. Whoever wins this, you're gonna have to let me know what wand it was. I want to know. So anyways, if you are interested in that giveaway, there is a link in the description box below. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.